Welcome to the first time setup for your brand new BuzzTV Classic AI. Let's get you up and running in just a few easy steps. First, let's connect the hardware. Plug the provided HDMI cable into your TV and the back of your Classic AI. Once the HDMI is secure, plug in the Type-C power cable. Next, locate your BT350 remote and insert the included batteries. To pair the remote with your device, press and hold the OK button and the volume down button at the same time. Keep holding until the lights on the remote start flashing. Your device will notify you once the pairing is successful. Now, let's optimize your view. Use the arrow buttons on your remote to adjust the screen size until it fits your TV perfectly. Once that's set, select your preferred language from the list, followed by your local time zone. Time to get online. You can plug an Ethernet cable into the back of the box here. If you prefer a wireless setup, simply follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Before we finish, you may be prompted to update to the latest firmware. We highly recommend doing this now to ensure you have the latest features and security updates. And just like that, you're on the home screen. If you need a hand navigating, keep an eye on the tooltips. They'll show you the best ways to finish setting up your device. For more tips on making this device your own, check out our BuzzTV 6 home screen customization videos in the description below. Enjoy your Classic AI!